Hello, I'm Leslie, and first I have to say I'm so grateful to be here at Sagg. I am part of the core team of Desom, and I come from Mumbai, and this has been really a wonderful experience. My work is related to community and environment and learning in these fields, and as someone coming from that background, I find this is a brilliant place to bring a group to be sensitized, to look within, and also to understand community and themselves. For a group to kind of get to know itself also, this is a brilliant place. I like the settings, the fact that it's ecological, and there are very warm, cozy spaces for groups to sit and enjoy each other and the environment and presence over here.
I'm Sri Prakash. I'm part of the core team of Desom, the leadership school. It has certainly been wonderful to be at the Sagg Eco Village, where we have had the space, the ambience, and the people for us to gather and spend time in introspection and reflection. Location, the quiet, and the facilities have been just right for our purposes, and we have enjoyed this retreat and time of understanding ourselves and how we learn about other contexts and cultures.
The hospitality of the staff and the way we were cared for is something that really made the great difference to our stay here.
Hello, I'm Mayuri from Bombay, member of the core team of Desom. We've come here as a group of 25, 26 of us, and this is a leadership journey that we are anchoring and accompanying fellows on. And coming to Sagg has been such a grounding experience, to be close to the earth, to be connected to our own selves, to each other, and to nature in this way has been very healing. I would suggest that people come and experience what it is to live in a simple, ecological and wholesome space. Much gratitude to all the team members at Sagg who have been very kind, generous and supportive, so that we can carry on with the work that we need to do for inner growth and teamwork, team building processes that we needed to do at Sagg. Thank you very much.
This is definitely a treat for everybody's eyes. We should visit here, have workshops here. Once I was in Bangalore for a retreat for 10 days, and I dreamed that time, can it be possible in our hometown? But I think this is the place, and inshallah I'm going to get all my people here for retreat, have workshops here. This is a place which is surrounded by mountains all around. And when you are finding this place, you can't imagine that something like this is possible here. And when you see it in your own eyes, you say, wow, this place stimulates you, makes you think, and you just forget all your worries, all your stresses. So once in a while, we should try to come here. And inshallah, I promise that Allah willing, I will come here off and on, just to relax and be away from the madding crowd. Thank you so much. Allah bless all of you.